This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Note: it is possible to park the wipers in a service position with both wipers pointing upwards to allow unrestricted removal of the blades. To do this, operate the wipers within 10 seconds of switching off the ignition. The wiper arms can now be lifted away from the windscreen. To remove the aerodynamic type windscreen wiper blade, pull the arm fully away from the screen until it locks. Pivot the blade 90 degrees from the arm. Depress the retaining catch and slide the blade off the peg on the arm. Slide the new wiper blade onto the peg until it clicks. Then pivot the arm and lower it back onto the windscreen.